Paul McCartney will reveal how he reinvented his career after the Beatles split in a new book centered around his experiences with his other rock band Wings. In the last years of the 1960s, the iconic musician, now 82 years old, had to confront the terrifying possibility of stepping out on his own following the breakup of the Beatles. The rock legend has written a new book titled Wings, the story of a band on the run, detailing his adventures since the band's 1971 formation, proving to both critics and fans that not all great acts are hard to follow. Wings soared to the top of the charts with legendary albums like Band on the Run, Venus and Mars, and At the Speed of Sound, and their live concerts packed stadiums. In an interview with Entertainment Weekly, Paul discussed the upcoming November release of his new book and expressed his excitement about being able to relive some of the wild adventures they had as Wings in it. With Denny Laine on guitar and Denny Sewell on drums, Paul founded Wings. Linda, who was Paul's wife at the time, passed away from breast cancer in 1998. At a time when society's perspectives and musical tastes were beginning to split and diverge, the book provides fresh insight into the immediate aftermath and seismic worldwide impact of the Beatles' breakup. After surviving a mugging in Nigeria, the band went on an unannounced tour of UK university halls and even took their children on a tour in a school bus that had been cut in half. The story follows each of their iterations. In addition, it will honor the decade's most memorable and critically acclaimed songs, such as Mull of Kintyre, Live and Let Die, Band on the Run, My Love, Jet, and countless more. Band on the Run, London Town, Venus and Mars, and the other 6 studio albums were released between 1971 and the year of their 1981 breakup. As part of a broader reevaluation and celebration of the band and their discography, Wings, the story of a band on the run, has over 100 color and black and white pictures, many of which have never been seen before. Along with the 50th anniversary versions of Band on the Run and Venus and Mars, it will feature the 2024 theatrical release of the rare Wings live-in-studio performance video, One Hand Clapping, and its accompanying music. Paul and historian Ted Widmer have collaborated on 2 books before, and this new effort will be their second.